Are you excited? I'm so hyped. I hope I see a big old T-Rex.
I hope I see a Traphosaurus.
A Traphosaurus.
Wait, what?
Tyrannosaurus?
Yeah?
My Jurassic Park shoes. Waiting for the gates to open. They open at 10 o'clock. It's 9:58. Best dinosaur roar. Here's mine. What'd you get? Cool. Definitely a cheesy kids show.
They thought I was a real dinosaur.
They kept looking at Olivia and like, you a real dinosaur? And they're like, nah, she's not a real dinosaur.
Why?
Because I thought you were a real velociraptor. But the dinosaurs were awesome. They were so cool. And there were some intense parts. But yeah, definitely a kids show. But Olivia, I think you loved it, right? You were super into it the whole time.
It was very great. And the dinosaur was really my favorite.